Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be doing a hard gel set using the LGNPro hard gels. This is in Perfect Peach. This color is so beautiful. So I followed Lissette Cruz and she suggested a coastal warmer if you want to warm up your hard gel. Now the one that she has linked is not available anymore, and I found this one on Amazon. It was like $14, so I wanted to give that a try. It's warming up right now, and I'm now going in with my first slip layer on my index finger. I've already prepped and primed my nails. I have a peel off base coat on, and I also did my tips, cut them down, and shaped them into the shape I was going for. So I'm going in with that bigger bead, and I'm just going to float this down the nail. It does take about a minute or two for the warmer to actually warm up, so I just have my hard gel sitting on it right now, and I do feel that the jar is getting warm. Not hot or anything, but I'm working the product and I am seeing less air bubbles than I typically have, which is nice. So once I have enough gel on here, I'm just going to take a smaller brush and work that around the cuticle area, down the nails, or in the side walls of the nail. I have to admit that once the product is actually warm, it does just float on beautifully. It blends in so nice. The color is just gorgeous. I just felt like the application was a lot smoother, and I'm a big fan of this so far.
Don't wait for me, honey. Don't wait. 'Cause I'm always heading your way. And I know exactly what I'm looking for.
If you do feel like the product is getting away from you, running into the sidewalls or the cuticle area, just turn your finger over and just hold it there for a few seconds so it can pull towards the center, and then fix it if you have to, and then cure it right away. Look how beautiful this color is. I am obsessed with the way this looks. I'm a fan of the peach. I love it. So now I'm going to remove that tacky layer, and we're going to go through and file. I'm just taking my sanding band and using that to file. Hard gel is really easy to file, and if you really focus on your application and try to apply it as smooth as possible, you shouldn't have too much filing to do. But I kind of go over it with my sanding band first, and then I take a hand file and just really sharpen up the edges and smooth it over, sharpen up the tip or whatever shape I'm going for, and that's usually good. This is how we're looking after everything has been filed, shaped, and buffed. Okay, totally obsessed with it. I'm going to remove all of the dust. I could throw some top coat on this and be happy with that. I really do love the way that this is coming out. But that would be too basic, so now I'm going to go in with the design that I saw on Pinterest. I thought this was really cute and just like perfect for spring. The colors on here are like a light blue and a red, but I'm going to change up the colors a bit. I'm going to use pink and a light teal. These colors are both from Makartt. Really pretty, super pigmented, but I did put 2 coats of each on just to make sure I fully covered the base color that I have on. I had to let my camera cool down a bit, so I ended up doing my ring finger off camera, and now we're going to do the same design here on my middle finger. So we just took that blue and we placed that around the tip area, and now I'm going to take this pink and do it right around the cuticle just to give a pop of color on the nail. I don't want to cover all of the peach completely, so I really wanted that to peek through. I'm going to do a full cure for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to take this quick Stick It gel glue, and this is a foil glue. I'm going to just place it randomly on the nail, and this is going to put our foil on, cure it for 45 seconds. Instead of gold, I wanted to use silver. I just thought it would accent these colors a little bit better. So I'm just going to pop that all over the nail where I put that quick Stick It gel glue on. I thought this was a really cute accent. I really love this sparkly silvery color. I haven't used it yet before. So now I'm going to go in with some black gel paint from Profiles Backstage, and we're going to create our little stem of leaves. This whole design maybe took me an hour. I felt like it was really quick, super easy, definitely beginner friendly, and it looks really cute for spring and summer as well.
Record your voice so I can listen back again. And I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be.
Once I'm happy with the way this is looking, I'm just going to do any finishing touches. Then I'm going to do a full cure for 60 seconds and top coat. I absolutely love these colors together, and I'm really glad that I went with the silver over the gold. Although I think the gold would have looked nice too. I just like the way that the silver like pops behind the black leaves we got here. But yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of this set and what you are interested in seeing from me in the future. I'm really trying to stay motivated for my channel and just keep putting out nail designs for you. But feedback is really appreciated. So again, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye!
I'm too selfish for that.